In this video, I'm going to show you how to get offers inside Bet365. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what you want to do is open up your Bet365 account app on your phone as you normally would and wait for it to load. Now, once you're here, there's a few ways to see offers. So when you're on the home page here, there's on the top left, there'll be a place called or a tab called offers. Go ahead and click into that. That's going to pull up all your different special offers. So if we can scroll down, you can see the bet boost, so you get a bigger price on choosing markets for selected sports, ruled out guaranteed, AFL early payout, NFL early payout, etc. So these do change like daily, weekly, or monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates for other special offers. And also you can check out the different promos or offers on horse racing, greyhounds, harness racing, soccer, etc. So if you want to look at the special offers on horse racing, simply click on the horse racing tab, and now that's going to open up and you can check out all the different offers here on this page. Yeah, and just keep going through and yeah, select which offers you would like to activate or use. So for example, if you want to use this odd drifter protector, simply click into it and then I'll show you all the information about it so you can see how it works, etc. So yeah, it's a cool place to get different special offers inside Bet365.